In this tutorial, we'll show you how to install the wireless charger for your BMW E92 step by step. Begin by removing the center console. With access to the compartment, disconnect the lighter connector and remove the 4 mounting screws. You can now remove the original compartment from the console and replace it with our wireless charger. First, reconnect the wiring and then secure the charger with the 4 screws. Once everything's connected, reinstall the center console. The installation is now complete and the wireless charger is ready to use.